How to use promo code on PrizePicks. If you have got a certain promo code on PrizePicks and then you'd like to go ahead and then apply them to your PrizePicks account. Now, the process of actually applying a promo code must be done during the sign up process. So you can see on prizepicks.com, if I go here and then I go to the sign up button from the top right hand side, and when I'm trying to sign up on my account under the page of email address and so on, you will find the option to enter a promo code. So you can see promo code. So if you have received a promo code from someone, you can simply enter them here during the sign up process. If you do not have, here's one PrizePicks as well. They'll be able to offer you the promo code and you can hit the continue button. Otherwise, normally what you can do also, if you're within your account and you go here to PrizePicks promo code section, over there you will be able to see what are the current PrizePicks, and then over there you'll find the other steps to redeem it as well. So you can sign up for PrizePicks and get instantly, and this is how the promo codes work. So this is how you can apply promo codes, but normally it must be done during the sign up process. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.